Okay guys, let me give you some hints for part 2. First of all, you have to build the L shape in your home. This is an example, okay? Note that you have two strings, one here for W1 and one here for W2. So you have two strings, one string here for W1 and the other string for W2, okay? You have to put the accelerometer like this. AX direction to up and AY will go to the W1 direction. So AY should be like this, to the right, okay? So, for example, if I will put the accelerometer here, AX should be up, AY should be to the right, okay? Now, let me give you some hints. You will get a tag, okay? And you will put it here, and note that the L shape is moving freely, okay? What you have to do, first of all, you have to do the pre-lab, because without the pre-lab you cannot complete the experiment. So I will put here a weight which is 10 grams. Find any home items that you have, okay? It's not necessary to be 10 grams. If you have any items, for example, 30, 40, 50 grams, it's okay. And I will put here a weight. I'll put another weight here, sorry, to make it more horizontal. Okay. Now I cannot make it really horizontal. That depends on the L shape. So I will accept some errors, okay? So right now, what you have to do, you will come to here. And you will follow this. You have to calculate R naught and R sub R, okay? For just the y-axis, because the y-axis will give you the W1, okay? So what is R plus and R minus? Remember from the pre-lab, you calculate R plus, which is Y plus, from the pre-lab, Y plus and Y minus. It is the same, so R plus is Y plus, R minus is Y minus. So y plus plus y minus over 2, y plus minus y minus over 2. So you will calculate this, okay? Then you will calculate the angle. R naught and R sub R, you have it. A sub y, which is the accelerometer raw data, which is AY, okay? Now you will go there and you will do this. We have to find C and W. We have two equations, two variables, so we can get it. What we have to do, we have to find Y offset and Y20, and then we're done. For Y offset, I am hanging 10 grams right now, okay? So Y offset is AY for the 10 grams, okay? Now, if I want for 20 grams, I will remove the 10 and I will put here 20. Of course, you can do it with 50 grams, 100 grams. That depends on the item that you have. And this is the AY for the 20. So I have Y offset for 20 grams, AY for 20, and this is 20. If you have, for example, 50 and 100 grams, so you have to find Y offset over 50, and for 100, you have to find Y offset for 100, and this will be 100. So that depends on the weight, okay? So once you will find W and C, so you can write this equation on your code. So W you already know W and C, R sub R, R sub naught, and AY, I told you it's the AY, the raw data, okay? So you can find W1. But let me give you an example. So the weight here is 20, right? So let us read it. I know that there is a small error, but okay. See? Now, let me add another 20. I will make the weight 40. Now, 20 plus 20 is 40, right? Read it. It's 40. It's almost 40. And that's it. This is your experiment. So please help me to find any home items, and you have to know their weights, because it's a very important experiment, and you have to build the L shape. And look here, I put the accelerometer, I put it here. Look. So AX will go up, AY will go toward the W1 weight.